This is where the containers are put on. They go to the skipping or pivoting station. Here they are skipped, yeah, and the birds fall on the belt. Here the birds are falling on the belt conveyor, and after the control, there's a camera who is controlling whether the thing is empty, the container is empty, and after emptying, it goes into a pre-washer, and after it's soaking. This is the belt where the birds are falling on. The main washing machine for the containers. Then once the containers are washed, yeah, we come on this, and this is where they are taking. The main washing machine for the containers. Then once the containers are washed, yeah, we come on this, and this is where they are taking off. This is inside the washing unit, so everything is washed here, and then after to there. Hanging. This is the hanging carousel. The birds fall down on the carousel, yeah, and people start hanging. This one will secure that the chicken are well hung. This is the scalder, the blowers, and the warm water control for the scalders. Inside of the plucker, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pluckers. Here they do electric stimulation. Yeah, this is to increase the quality of the feed. Because of the gas. So to get all the energy out of the muscle. Originally is a VOC, but they changed. They put only, yeah, they added an opener. So here is only the vent cutting. And the opening, they added a new machine from 2020, yeah, the opener. Like this, they had less, yeah, the opening was much higher. First control after rehanging. So if the chicken is not hanging well, yeah, they are put. This is together, and here is the inspection platform. Yeah. If there is a disease, yeah, they tap on each one of these push buttons. Yeah, then they know. 2 people, 4 people here. Hard and hard separator. This is gizzard separating. Okay, here the package with the gizzard goes in. Then gizzard harvester, gizzard defatter, screw up to the chilling. And a peeling table, of course. Liver separation and cleaning. So liver separation. Then it goes into the chiller. Here is the heart separated, chilling with gizzard. First part, the shock, the blast chiller. With 14 evaporators. During 1 hour. This has only 2 layers. This is the last chiller below. And there, over there, you can see the moisture. Then the second part of the air chiller, yeah, which takes much longer, yeah, and is much less heavy. This part, the lower part, was built after to extend the maturation time. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. In the first part, tensioners. Vacuum pumps and accessories. Control panel vacuum. Scalding, plucking and electro stimulation over there on the right. Intestines, grading and cut up. But cut up needs to be deleted from here. Air chilling.